The SOSO Value Season 2 airdrop has finally come to an end, and you can now check to see if you're eligible or if you're ineligible. And if you're eligible, you can be able to see the amount of SOSO tokens you were given. All you need to do is just open your SOSO Value app and come to your ESP here. So you tap on ESP, just wait and allow it to load. And you're just going to see your allocation here. You can see that they give me 1,500 SOSO. And based on the way they designed it, you have to trade on SODEX. So it's very simple. I'm going to drop my SODEX referral link in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video. Tap on the more again, get into the video description and copy that my SODEX referral link. Then now head over to your OKS. So go to that wallet you've connected to your SOSO value. If you use OKS, make sure it's on your wallet, okay? Then just come down to this explore here, tap on it, put down my referral code here and search on it. It's already in my history, so just come and tap on it. But for you, once you put it, it will come and show here. So just come and tap on it, okay? So I'll come and tap on the link. So you just wait and allow it to load, okay? Then just come down here and tap on that join now. So the moment you tap on that join now, you will see something that is going to pop up telling you to claim your SOSO. Or you're going to see something like check season 2 airdrop. Just tap on it. Then you're going to see something like claim. Tap on it. Then it is now going to claim. Now when it claims, just scroll up. It will come and show like this. You're going to see your balance here and you're going to see the USDT equivalent. So just come and tap on this point here. So you tap on it. Then scroll up. Please pay attention here. You can see transfer. Tap on your transfer. Then come to this point here and swap it, okay? Just come and tap on this point. So this POS account is going to come over to this point. And this futures account is going to come over to this point, okay? So just come and tap on this. So once I tap on it, it's going to switch. So once it switches, just come and tap on maximum. So once it switches, just come and tap on this max here. So you tap on it. Then just come down here and confirm transfer. So your SOSO allocation is going to move from your futures account to your spot account. I believe that's clear enough. So let me just come here and close. Now after it has moved here, just come to this your trading pair. You can see BTC/USDC. This is spot now. Come and tap on this BTC/USDC. You tap on it. Now you can see this SOSO USDC. Come and tap on it. So you tap on it. After tapping on it, come to this trade here. So you tap on your trade. This is on buy. So come and tap on sell here. So you tap on sell. That your available SOSO is going to show here. So just come and drag this to the end. So you just hold it and drag it to the end. That's if you want to sell everything. But if you don't want to sell everything, just come and put the quantity you want here, okay? So once you do that, just come and tap on your sell. So it will sell and your SOSO will be converted to USDC. Then just scroll up, it will come and show here. You see it's USDC. So right now, let us assume that this SOSO is now USDC. So what you are going to do is this. Now you want to withdraw it. So just come and tap on this withdraw that is here. So you tap on the withdraw. Come to this point here and change it. So you tap on it. Choose USDC. You can see it. You tap on USDC. Then withdraw chain. Come here. Tap on it. And choose base. So you come here and tap on max. Mind you, they're going to take a 1 USDC gas fee. And as you can see, this is USDC on base. So you're going to go to your exchange. So let me head over to my Bybit. Coming over to my Bybit, you can use Bitget, you can use any exchange you want to use, okay? So you just come and tap on deposit here. I tap on deposit. So you just come and tap on deposit crypto here. Then you come to this place and search for USDC. I already have it on my history, so just come and tap on USDC. So you tap on USDC. So once you search it, it's going to show like this. You can see it here. Base mainnet. If it's not there, just come here and search for it. That's the logo, okay? So just come and tap on it. So I'll tap on it. Then I'll come to this place and copy my wallet address. So I'll tap on it and I'll then copy to my clipboard. So I'll minimize and go back to my SODEX. So I just come to this destination address and fill it. So I'll tap on it. It's already on my clipboard, so I just tap on it and it has been pasted. Ensure you come here and choose maximum or you choose the amount you want, okay? Then you come here and tap on withdraw to base. So from here now, you just authenticate with your fingerprint and it's going to withdraw. It's actually going to take some time though, but you're definitely going to receive it in your exchange. Okay, coming back to your Bybit, I'll go back. You come to this, your assets here, you tap on your assets. So when it comes now, it's going to come to your funding. If this is an asset, tap on account. Okay, it will come and enter your funding. So once it enters your funding, what you're going to do is come to this point and transfer it. So you tap on transfer. So if you want to transfer everything, just come and tap on max here, or you enter amount here. So it's going to transfer from your funding account to your unified trading account. Then just come and confirm. Okay, so once you do that, your USDC on base is going to move from your funding account to your unified trading account. So let me just go back now. So it will now come down here and enter here. So after you have transferred it from here to here, just come to this, your trade. You tap on your trade. So just come to spot here, tap on spot, then come to this point here and tap on it, then come here, or you can actually just see it here, USDC/USDT. okay, you can see it, but just in case you don't see it, just come here and search for it, USDC. So you can see it here, USDC/USDT. Please make sure it's the correct one. Then just come and tap on it. Then come to this point here and sell. So your USDC balance is going to show here. So if you want to sell everything, please make sure you come here and change it to markets. Okay, tap on it. If yours is on limits, change it from limits to markets. Okay, so you tap on your markets, then you slide this to the end. So you just hold and you drag it to the end, then tap on sell. Then you need to tap on sell again. So once you do that, your USDC is going to be converted to USDT. Then you come back to this, your asset again. So once you come here and just come and tap on transfer, because you want to transfer your USDT that is in the unified trading to funding, so that you can do P2P. Okay, so you tap on your transfer. So you come and tap on this, so that it's going to be from unified trading to funding, not funding to unified trading. Then choose your coin, then choose your amount or you max it. Okay, I believe that's clear enough. Then come down here and tap on confirm. So once you confirm it, your USDT is going to move from unified trading to your funding account. So let me go back. So everything will now move and enter here. Then at that point now, you can now come to your home and do P2P and get money into your local bank account. So basically this is how you can be able to claim your SOSO value season 2 airdrop, send it to an exchange and sell. Okay, now for those people that are trading on SODEX, before I leave, make sure you are holding your trade. Remember the previous video I did where I showed you how to use stop loss. Make sure you always put stop loss, and if you see a profit, take profits. This is very, very important. If you get more profits, they will likely give you more points. I believe that's clear enough. If you have not joined SODEX, make sure you join SODEX right away. I'm going to leave my referral link in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video. Tap on the more again. Get into the video description and start this particular project right away. So basically that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, if you found any form of value from this video, do what to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do what to join our Telegram community, link in the video description, where we'll share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.